I like to rhyme my words when I speak. I take 2 from a 7 of the week. Monday to Friday, that's the 5 days. It's a challenge, and you know it's provided free. Yeah, that's where the start is. Day 1 free, so you know it's gratis. Look, I spit fire while I'm good looking. I'm gonna tell you to get more direct bookings, not circuitously through a travel agent. One that's come to you, you sit there in amazement like, wow. Mad respect to the guy with the hashtag book direct, not a gang sign. It's a pound in the US, we call it hash over here, and I'm through this. Book directly, it means that you go, not a book from a library. Oh no, bro, you need to understand words, please heed. Use Facebook to get more leads, like a dog with the collar with the multiple leashes. More leads, that's the pun, it's hard to believe it. I punch hard like Bruce Lee, probably the only rhyme I can think with Bruce Lee. Like an orange, I squeeze it cause it's so juicy. And Mark Simpson, not orange, but he could be yellow, like the fellow in the Matt Groening show. That's a Simpson thing, mark my woe. RDS, that's the words when I fill it out. Here's a little thing, pay attention you louts. Don't over rely on booking.com or Airbnb, cause that could be gone, cause the pandemic shut down everything. Airbnb offices, the phone don't ring anymore, but over reliance is not required. Yeah, I see you're not silent and saying, Chris, can you shout to me how to save money in commissioning fees? Well, I can't explain, but I know what Doodoo does. Mark Simpson, not like Bart with the buzz saw haircut. Let me make this clear, he's not from The Simpsons, guys. Please lend your ears. Romans and countrymans and all the viewers, get your guests to book direct, and you will see your coffers swell and grow. The guests all go, they're like, wow, I'm glad that I watched this show or this podcast, and they'll enjoy their holiday. I'm gonna go and book direct right away. Admittedly, I'm not, there'll be a slight lag, but when you do book direct, don't forget the hashtag